Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a tripod for drawing. First, find a stable, level surface to place your tripod. Carefully extend each leg evenly, adjusting them to your preferred working height. It is crucial to ensure all leg locks are firmly secured. This initial step guarantees a solid foundation for your artwork, preventing any unwanted movement or instability as you begin your creative process. A well-set base is key for precision. Now, let's attach your drawing surface. Carefully mount your drawing board or easel onto the tripod head, ensuring it is tightly secured. Next, adjust the tilt and rotation to achieve the most comfortable angle for your drawing style. Aim to position your drawing surface at approximately eye level. This ergonomic placement helps minimize neck and back strain, allowing you to focus on your art for extended periods without discomfort. Ergonomics are vital for long drawing sessions. Try to maintain a comfortable distance of about 18 to 24 inches from your drawing surface. Position your light source carefully, ideally from above and slightly to the side, to minimize unwanted shadows on your artwork. Finally, adjust your chair and tripod height to ensure a relaxed and natural posture, preventing fatigue and allowing for hours of comfortable creation. To further enhance stability, especially outdoors, consider hanging a small weight like a backpack from the tripod center column. For very windy conditions, placing sandbags or weights on the tripod legs can provide significant extra support. Always double-check all connections and locks before and during your drawing session to prevent any unexpected wobbling. These simple steps ensure your setup remains rock solid, even in challenging environments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.